Hello children, welcome back to my channel. You know that we have completed the first chapter of geography in class 10, that is resource and development. So now we are going to revise this chapter in different parts. I am going to start the revision with soil resource. So at first let's revise that what is soil. Soil, you know that it is a very loose type of material, and where it is lying on the top of the earth's surface, that means on the top of the land. So if we consider land as a broader aspect, so soil we can consider in a smaller aspect, because land means the whole top portion of the earth and soil is the part of the land. Now it is a mixture of which thing? It is a mixture of rock, minerals, water, air, as well as also it is a mixture of humus. That means the organic materials. So why this soil is very much important for us? Obviously it is important because it's the base where the plants can grow, and not only that, it also supports the life of different animals. That's why it is a very important resource for us. Now let us know what are the different factors that influence the formation of soil. So let's start. First of all, you can see that the first influence comes from the parent rock or the parent material. This parent rock is the main origin of the soil. Just like our main origin is from our father and mother, they are our parent. So every soil also has its own parent rock. What is that? Now let's understand what is parent rock. The soil, at first we came to know that the soil is formed, or it's a mixture of rocks. So just take an example of our southern India. There you can see the Deccan Plateau region. Everyone knows that the Deccan Plateau is covered with which soil? Black soil. And we also know that during the formation of earth, this part, that means the Deccan Plateau area, is covered with the igneous rock due to the volcanic activity. So from this igneous rock the soil has formed, that is the black soil. And as the igneous rock are very much dark in color, so in this way the color of the soil is also black. That means the parent rock of black soil is igneous rock. Hope you understand this portion. So this parent rock helps to determine what things? It helps to determine the color, the texture and the different chemical composition of the soil. Next we will go to the relief. That means the landform. How does it help in the formation of soil? Just take an example. If the relief for the land is very much plain, so there is so much place for the dust particles to accumulate in one area. So they can form a compact form in that zone. But if the land is slanting, that means the mountain area, then there is very much less place for the dust particle for the accumulation. So there the soil in the slanting side, the soil accumulation will be loose, whereas in the plain area the soil accumulation will be tight. So it will be a compact type of soil. Next we will go to the climate. This one is very much important. Climatic factors. because these climatic elements like the temperature, rainfall, humidity, they also help to form the different texture, different structure of the soil, and as well as they also determine the color of the soil. Understand? Okay. Next is the flora and fauna or the microorganism. That means the amount of humus. That means the dead plant and animals. Because we know that soil is a mixture of different elements. So these dead plants and animals, if its number, if its amount is high in the soil, that means the soil will be very much fertile. But if it is loose, suppose in arid zone, Rajasthan area, there is lack of humus or organic materials. That's why the soil is not fertile. But whereas in alluvial soil, the amount of humus is very much high. That's why the soil is also very much fertile. Next, and the last one is the time. How does the time helps? Time determines thickness of soil profile. So the more the soil will take time to form, it will be more mature type of soil. And if the soil form within very short period of time, that time the soil will be not too much mature. Understand what are the different factors and how they are influencing different texture, different color, different structure of the soil. Now, your today's questions are: define soil. What are the different factors that influence soil formation? Just now I have discussed, hope you understand. And what is parent rock? Answer this question in the comment section. Thank you.